Hi, this is Doug O'Connell, Property Tax Grievance Specialist. A common question that I get from homeowners is, how long does the grievance process take? And how long will it be until I ultimately get a reduction in my taxes? Now, the first thing you need to understand is the assessment that you're challenging always applies to the following year's taxes. And in Westchester County, the tax year, the first tax bill is always in April. So you'll see that reduction typically in April of the following year, okay, after you file it. So if you're challenging 2012, you should see your savings in the April bill of 2013. So it takes some time. Now, it is a process, and the process begins with filing your grievance with the local municipality as of the deadline, which is typically in Westchester in June. Once you file the grievance in June, it's reviewed by the Board of Assessment and Review, and they'll determine if you deserve a tax reduction. They'll typically release those decisions within 3 months, and in Westchester that's typically in September. Now, once you receive your decision from the Board of Assessment and Review, that decision needs to be reviewed to determine if it's a fair decision or not. If they've given you close to what you've asked for or what you've asked for, then great, you've had a successful tax reduction. If you did not get the reduction you're looking for, or if you didn't get any reduction, it's not over yet. Now you can go ahead and you can file what's called a SCAR petition, Small Claims Assessment Review. This basically takes it out of the town's hands temporarily and allows you to go before a third party, a hearing officer or a judge, who will ultimately decide your case. Now, once you file that SCAR, or Small Claims Assessment Review, there'll be some time in between there, time where you can now go and discuss the case with the assessor to see if you can come to a meeting of the minds and a fair reduction in the assessment. If you can't come to a meeting of the minds, ultimately you will go before a hearing officer or a judge, at which time you will put forth your case, the assessor will put forth his case, and if necessary, the hearing officer will ultimately come to a decision. Now, if this process goes into the following tax year, and you do ultimately get a reduction, then the town will go ahead and calculate your taxes based on the reduced assessment and give you a refund check if that comes into play. So I know that was a long answer, but it's a long process, and it's not, it's hard to say. It could be 3 months, it could be 6 months, it could be as long as 9 months or more. But typically it's taken care of, I would say, most often within a 6 to 7 month period. I hope that was helpful information, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.